Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is going to be on identifying what kind of sentence these sentences will be or are. So as you can see here, I've got 10 sentences. Now I will not do all 10. I'll do the first 4. So I'll do numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for the bonus activity, I'll leave problems 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for you. So what exactly are we talking about when I say what kind of sentence? Let's look at the directions now. The directions say, read each sentence below. Write if it is a command, question, exclamation, or statement. So those are our options. And number 1 says, please clean your room before we leave for school. So based off the 4 choices we have, the only appropriate one would be command, because a command is asking you to do something. And as you can see here, they're asking this person to clean their room. Number 2 says, may I please have an ice cream sundae after dinner? Now, if you're a proficient reader, you'll see at the end of this sentence, there's a question mark there. So based off of your choices here, you know that the only answer that would be appropriate for number 2 would be question. So the answer to number 2, may I please have an ice cream sundae after dinner, would be question. Number 3. Number 3 says, we won the candle selling contest. And if you look again at the end of the sentence, you can see that it has an exclamation mark. So just again, based off of your 4 choices, the only appropriate answer you can have would be an exclamation, because it's got an exclamation mark. So that would be your answer. Number 4. Number 4 says, this book about the gold rush is my favorite one to read. So based off of your 4 choices, you automatically know that you can't choose a question because there's no question mark, or an exclamation because there's no exclamation mark. And we know it's not a command because we're not asking somebody to do something. So the only appropriate answer for number 4 would be statement, because they're telling you that Gold Rush is their favorite book to read. And the bonus activity will include doing problems 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll go ahead and read those problems to you now so you can refer to them as a reference if you choose to do the bonus activity. So number 5 says, why did the television program end so early? Number 6, stop. The sink is starting to overflow. Number 7, turn the lights off and go to bed. Number 8, I like to eat apples dipped in peanut butter. Number 9, is purple the best choice of color for your hair? And number 10, don't put your hand on the stove when it is hot. And as you can see, I didn't write a complete sentence. And the reason why is it doesn't tell you to. The directions don't say write your answer in a complete sentence. So I'm just going to write command, question, exclamation, or statement. Now the reason why I am doing this is, well, like I just said, the directions don't tell you. However, if you're taking a standardized test, you may not have that much time. And believe it or not, writing sentences takes time. So if you're short on time and this is telling you just to write a single word as an answer, it's okay to do that. Because again, if you're short on time and you want to try to answer everything completely, writing this one answer is a complete sentence. Okay, So again, that's just a little bit of a test-taking strategy tip if you're taking a standardized test. And that'll do it for today's video. And as always, I appreciate you spending part of your day here with me, and I really look forward to seeing you on my next video.